Hey everybody, today in 2 minutes I'm going to show you a 4-step process to drawing mountains. Okay, so step number 1, we want to define the direction of our light. So our sunlight is coming from this direction. It's going to hit the front side of our mountains. The first step when drawing the actual mountain, most importantly, you want to define those ridge lines. Think of a ridge line as your prominent lines within your mountain. And then here is the back side of our mountain. And we'll do a smaller one right here. Ridgeline is where your mountain sides crest over to a different side of the mountain. You can visualize it. If you can take your fingers and sort of walk up a distinct line, think of that as a good ridge line to draw in. So with the light shining on the front side here, these back sides split by the ridge line, that's going to be where the sun doesn't hit. So those are all going to be in shadow, and we'll just fill those in really quickly here. And then we're on to step number 3, which we want to give some impression of the slope of these sides of our mountains. And you can also think of these maybe as less prominent ridge lines. This is kind of how the direction of the rocks or debris, whatever you have covering your mountain sides. This is just a way to give it a little more visual interest, and you can also give an idea of where the slope of your mountain sides changes directions. And just like that, we're already on to the 4th and final step. Every drawing is going to be better if you give it context. So we'll add some clouds up here, which will show off the scale of our mountains. And it also shows that these aren't just some sharp pointed rocks. And lastly, we're going to add just some tiny trees down here, again showing the scale and that we're out there in the wilderness. Now you can see in just 4 easy steps how you can approach drawing your mountains. And of course, if you spend more than 2 minutes drawing it, you'll be able to add a lot more detail and finesse.